Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Acer Chromebook 13. Even if you're stuck because you don't have the password, you forgot the password or whatever like that, we can actually clear this password out, totally get rid of it. Now it's going to wipe everything else off the computer, but if that's what you want to do, we can go ahead and do it. It's real easy. First of all, from the login page here where it's asking us for a password, instead of hitting the password, we're just going to hit Control, Alt, Shift, and then the letter key R. So that's Control, Alt, Shift, and the letter key R. And if we do that, it's going to open us up this reset this Chrome device option. It's going to give us the option to reset the Chrome device. And we're going to go down and we're going to click on Restart. And once we click on Restart, then it's going to take us to this Reset this Chrome device menu. And from there, you'll see down at the bottom, there's this option to Power Wash. It's going to say Power Wash, and it's going to tell you resetting your Chrome device will be just like new. So all the accounts will be removed, all your photos, all your contacts, all your apps, all your everything will be removed. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and click on Power Wash, and it will restart the computer like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.